Here's how to add a car rental to an existing Expedia trip booking. First, launch open the Expedia app, or you can open up any web browser and go to Expedia website. Make sure to log into your account. Now find the trips icon, then select that. Here you will be able to view your active travel dashboard. Find the specific flight or hotel reservation you have already booked and click the trip name to open up your master itinerary. Once the current trip overview loads, look for the add-on section on the screen and click on Add a Car option. This will automatically grab your existing flight or hotel data, autofilling your exact travel dates, time, and destination city into Rental Search Wizard. Review the pre-filled parameters to ensure they match your needs, then hit Search. As you browse, look for the yellow badge or bundle tags on the screen, as adding a car to existing flight or hotel reservation often unlocks exclusive package discounts. Select your preferred vehicle, review the mileage fuel policy, and follow the on-screen prompts to check out. This is going to link your rental directly. And that's how you can add a rental car to an existing Expedia trip booking. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.